Did you know that what you eat can actually help your body clean itself, repair damage, and even produce new healthy cells? It all comes down to supporting your body's delicate pH balance. While our blood pH is tightly regulated, our modern diet, often high in processed foods and sugar, creates an acid load. This forces your body to work overtime to maintain equilibrium, sometimes by borrowing essential minerals from your bones and tissues. This is where alkaline-forming foods become your greatest ally. They provide a wealth of minerals like potassium and magnesium that help neutralize this acid load. It's not about changing your blood's pH, which is a dangerous myth. Instead, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive and maintain its natural, healthy state with less effort. That's why doctors and nutritionists agree. An alkaline-rich diet is one of the best ways to boost healing, reduce inflammation, and prevent disease. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 7 alkaline foods you should add to your diet right now to transform your health from the inside out. 1. Leafy greens. Kicking off our list is the powerhouse trio: spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which acts like liquid sunshine for your cells, helping to oxygenate your blood and support energy and regeneration. They're also loaded with alkaline minerals like magnesium, crucial for over 300 bodily functions including muscle repair and stress reduction, and vitamin K, essential for bone health. For an easy boost, blend a large handful into your morning smoothie. Or, for a quick side dish, lightly sauté them with garlic and a squeeze of lemon. The vitamin C actually helps your body absorb the iron from the greens. A good serving is about 2 packed cups raw or 1 cup cooked. 2. Cucumbers. Next up, nature's water bottle. Composed of over 95% water, cucumbers provide profound hydration that is fundamental for flushing out metabolic waste and keeping every cell functioning optimally. But they offer more than just water. They contain potassium, an electrolyte that helps manage fluid balance, and silica, a trace mineral celebrated for promoting strong, healthy skin, hair, and nails by supporting collagen production. By promoting hydration and providing these minerals, cucumbers help create an internal environment that discourages inflammation. Add slices to your water for a spa-like infusion, or for a simple, hydrating snack. Pair cucumber spears with hummus. 3. Avocados. This creamy, alkaline-forming fruit is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, or MUFAs. These fats are essential for building and repairing healthy cell membranes, ensuring nutrients can get in and waste can get out, a process crucial for the health of your skin, brain, and heart. Avocados are also a fantastic source of potassium, which helps balance electrolytes, and they contain lutein, an antioxidant known for protecting eye health. Because they are calorie-dense, a good serving size is about 1/3 to 1/2 of a medium avocado. Mash it onto toast, add it to a smoothie for incredible creaminess, or dice it into salads and grain bowls. 4. Lemons. Don't let the sour taste fool you. While lemons are acidic, they have a powerful alkaline effect on the body once metabolized. They are bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, protecting your cells from oxidative stress and supporting a robust immune system. Better yet, the citric acid in lemons can actually improve your body's ability to absorb other alkaline minerals, like calcium from leafy greens. Start your day with warm lemon water to wake up your digestive system, or use the juice as a base for a zesty salad dressing. Just remember to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your tooth enamel. 5. Broccoli. This cruciferous champion is a superstar for cellular health, thanks to a compound called sulforaphane. It works by switching on the body's own antioxidant and detoxification enzymes, helping to clear out harmful compounds and protect your DNA from damage. To maximize this benefit, lightly steam your broccoli for 3-4 minutes. Here's a pro tip. Adding a pinch of mustard seed powder after cooking can dramatically increase sulforaphane formation. You can also roast florets for a delicious nutty flavor, or add broccoli sprouts to your salads for a super concentrated hit of nutrients that support your immune system and cellular integrity. 6. Root vegetables: carrots, beets, sweet potatoes. These grounding, nutrient-packed powerhouses are fantastic for cellular health. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, a nutrient vital for cell growth. Beets contain unique antioxidants called betalains, which support liver detoxification. Sweet potatoes offer fiber and complex carbs for sustained energy. All of them are rich in alkaline-forming minerals like potassium and magnesium. The fiber in these vegetables is also crucial for feeding beneficial gut bacteria, which is the foundation for proper nutrient absorption. A roasted medley is a simple and delicious way to enjoy them all at once. 7. Celery. Finally, we have celery, a master of hydration and mineralization. It's packed with natural electrolytes like potassium and sodium, making it an excellent food for rehydrating, especially after a workout. Celery also contains a flavonoid called apigenin, which has been studied for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to calm the body at a cellular level. Its combination of water and insoluble fiber supports healthy digestion and regularity. While celery juice is popular, you can get all the benefits by simply snacking on the stalks with some almond butter, or chopping it into soups and stews. So there you have it, our top 7 alkaline-supporting foods. Remember, the goal isn't to drastically change your body's blood pH, which is tightly regulated, but to ease the overall acidic load from your diet. By incorporating these vibrant, nutrient-dense foods, you're providing your body with the essential minerals, hydration, and antioxidants it needs to function optimally. You're supporting its natural detoxification processes and creating an internal environment where your cells can truly thrive. Feeling inspired? The journey to better health is built on small, consistent steps. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by trying our one-day meal plan, or simply add a glass of warm lemon water to your morning routine. Pick one new recipe this week, maybe a vibrant beet salad or a creamy avocado smoothie. The key is to begin integrating these powerful foods in a way that feels sustainable and enjoyable. Your body will thank you for it. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these alkaline foods is already a staple in your kitchen? And what's your favorite recipe using one of them? Share your tips and creations in the comments below. Let's build a community of wellness together. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to at Best Folk Medicine. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video, where we'll continue exploring the best natural ways to support your health and well-being.